Good. So today at work the phone was charging and I had like a snap like plastic breaking, and I found out the chucher doesn't chuch anymore. So something popped in there. But that's not the end of the world. We just take this thing and put it into our laptop and okay, never mind. Let's find out what popped, because that's the perfect opportunity to take something apart. Obviously it's glued to the Mac since it's an Apple product, but I just take the brute force and then we see what's inside. Alrighty, here we go. So this was the top and this was just in there. You see the connectors for the plugs here, maybe down there, and obviously we see what happened. The shit stains all over. This is dense. This is really dense. Everything nice in place with elastics and stuff. Looking good, but this doesn't help you once your capacitor or something else blows up. But the good thing is it failed safe. So once this thing blew up, the power was cut and the device wasn't damaged. That was charging. So that's a good thing. This is ready for the bin or for recycling, of course. And yeah, quick one. Nice. And it's obviously that my opening of the device didn't do this. So, yep. Thanks a lot for watching.